What if you lost a customer before they ever spoke to you? They looked at your menu or price list, got confused, and left. A vague price list quietly costs you sales every day. The fix used to take hours with a designer. Now, with AI and a simple process, you can have a professional price list done in an afternoon. Here's the honest truth. Many business owners try AI and get garbage back. Generic descriptions, weird formatting, nothing that sounds like their business. That's not an AI problem. That's a process problem. Once you understand how to use these tools correctly, the results are genuinely useful. Start with your own information. Before opening ChatGPT, do this first. Write down what you actually offer. AI can organize and polish your information, but it cannot invent your prices or know your services. Nobody can do that for you. Grab a notepad or spreadsheet. For each service, jot down the name, a rough description, the price, and any variables like size options or add-ons. If you run a dog grooming shop, your notes might look like bath and brush, small dogs $35, large dogs $55, about 90 minutes, add-on teeth brushing $12. That's enough. Don't overthink this. One honest limitation. If your pricing is genuinely complicated, like a contractor who quotes every job differently, AI isn't going to solve that. It can help present a starting structure, but you'll still need to decide how to communicate custom pricing. AI is a writing tool, not a business strategy tool. Picking the right tool. 3 tools worth knowing. ChatGPT, free or $20 per month. Claude, free or $20 per month. And Canva AI, $15 per month pro. ChatGPT is strong at turning messy input into organized text. Claude produces descriptions that sound more natural. Canva's built-in feature is best if you want a finished visual document. For most small business owners, use ChatGPT or Claude for the words, then drop that text into a Canva template. Writing a prompt that actually works. This is where most people go wrong. You can't just type, "Make me a price list." You need to give the AI your actual information and tell it exactly what you want. Start by telling the AI your business type and name. Say you want it to organize your services into clear categories. Write 1 to 2 sentence descriptions in a friendly but professional tone and format it as a price list. Tell it to keep descriptions brief so customers can scan quickly. Then paste in your notes. If the tone is off, just say so. Tell it to sound warmer or more straightforward. AI takes direction well. The details that close the deal. After you have a draft, add the details that answer customer questions. How long a service takes, what's included versus what costs extra, any minimum charges or travel fees, and how to get a custom quote. You can do this in a follow-up prompt. Make it look like something. Plain text won't impress anyone. If it's going on your website, ask the AI to format it as basic HTML. Most website builders let you paste that directly. If you're printing it or creating a PDF, copy the text into a Canva price list template. Search price list in Canva's library, swap in your text, adjust the colors to match your branding, and you're done. Always do a final read through yourself. Check that every price is accurate and nothing sounds off for your business. AI can occasionally add filler phrases or slightly misrepresent a service. That customer who walked away because your price list confused them, that's solvable. It doesn't take a designer, copywriter, or weekend. A few hours, the right process, and existing tools can get you something you're proud to hand a customer.